Hey everybody, so today we're going to be looking at a conic sections problem from the mathematics section of the FE exam, and we're going to be following the 4 steps here. So we're going to look in our handbook for the formula that defines a conic section. We're going to assign values to each variable, do a comparison of terms, and then categorize this. What we're being asked to do is to determine what this equation is. So is it a parabola, is it a hyperbola, is it an ellipse, so on and so forth. So first we'll go to the math section of our handbook. I have a little cutout of it here, and you could see the general form of a conic section, which is laid out here. And the first thing we're going to do is just match up the values with each variable. So the x squared term has an a in front of it, so the 2 will be a. The xy term is not present here, so we'll list these out here. So a is 2. The xy term isn't present here, so b, the coefficient of that term, is 0. C is what's in front of y squared, so we can see that that is -3. D is what's in front of x, that's 16. E is what's in front of y, that's 2. And then f, of course, you'd have to move this to the other side of the equation if you had a 0 up here, so f is actually -12. So now that we've discovered what each of our terms is, we're going to want to use the values here to categorize it as either an ellipse, hyperbola, parabola, circle, or straight line. So the comparison that we need to do, there's a few we can do. We're really concerned about what the a, b, and c terms are. So let's start with the b term. So we said that b is 0, and then our a term we said was 2, and then our c term we said was -3. So if we do that first equality, it's b squared minus 4ac, and we want to compare that to 0. So b squared is obviously 0 squared minus 4 times 2 times -3. So -4 times 2 is -8, times -3 is positive 24. So 24 is greater than 0. So this is a hyperbola. We've effectively categorized it as a hyperbola. Now actually, if we had taken a look at these rules from the beginning, we probably could have eliminated these bottom 2 rules because we know that a, b, and c are not equal. That would only be the case if your x squared and y squared terms were 0. We don't have a straight line where we wouldn't have things raised to powers. And likewise, a doesn't equal c, so that second one doesn't apply. So we could just at quick first glance eliminate the circle and straight line options, and then it would just be a matter of doing the comparison to categorize between ellipse, hyperbola, and parabola. Enjoying these videos? Follow the links in the description below to find out how you could reach out for personal tutoring, like and subscribe to get notified when new videos drop, and comment with suggestions for future topics.